Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply change Zengo background. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Zango Wallet app. And there you go, you will be here in the section of home section. You're going to tap on this option of security. Simply scroll down to the personalization section. Tap on this option of background, and now you will be able to check out the available backgrounds. So currently we are in the normal Zengo Wallet account, so we only have these options to change our background to or from. But if we take the background pro, which we simply have to take the subscription for, once we are upgraded to that, then we will be able to get this upgraded Pro Zengo collections as a background. But for now we can only choose from these 5 options, and that is it. So we have chosen this one, and now if we go back, we will be able to check out that it has been changed. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.